guys, so today's video is going to be so exciting, so different, and I've actually been hinting all about this video on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me. Instagram handle all over the screen. But anyway, a few weeks ago I had a party to go to and I needed an Indian outfit. I had literally nothing in my closet that I wanted to wear, so I decided to pull pieces together and create my own Indian outfit. I shared it on Instagram and so many of you guys loved the idea, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna make a whole video about it, put together 3 different outfits that can totally pass for Indian outfits. A couple of things before we get started with the video. I just want to say, first of all, I still love and will continue to purchase Indian outfits. This is not replacing my actual Indian outfits. This is kind of like solving a problem that I genuinely had and sharing it with you guys. So if you're in the same position, you might find this video useful as well. The second thing is, again, if you follow me on Instagram and follow my fashion posts, I don't like to spend a lot of money on clothes, but the pieces I'm going to be sharing in today's video are not super cheap. But the way that I'm justifying the price is that you can wear the tops or the bottoms, both like the Indian way that I'm going to show you, or with regular bottoms or tops. Like you can wear each piece multiple ways, and that's how I'm justifying it. And you will see that every piece is so special and you can really do so many different things with each piece. So those are the 2 things I wanted to say at the start of this video. Now, without further ado, let's actually get into DIYing your own Indian outfits. Okay, so here is the first outfit. Let's start at the top, then we'll make our way down. This beautiful top, which I'm so obsessed with because it's so versatile. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can wear it with skirts, you can wear it with pants. There are a million ways to wear it. I'm going to show you guys my favorite way. But to make this like an Indian outfit, I actually am pairing it with this beautiful tulle skirt, also from ASOS, and I am just like in love with this skirt. Again, I feel like it's so versatile. You can wear it with so many different tops like this, like crop tops, and it works beautifully, and it just like makes me feel like a princess. I love this skirt. And I did decide to pair it with a beautiful dupatta, which I am in love with. It is so beautiful, and the color is definitely different. Like dupatta is definitely more on the bright pink side, whereas the dress is more of like a mauvey, purpley, pinky shade, like a more subtle pink. But I love the contrast of the colors, and I feel like both just complement each other so beautifully. Okay, so here is how I would normally wear this beautiful top, which with this top, first of all, you don't need a lot of jewelry. As you guys can see, my jewelry is really minimal today because this is so embellished. Like less is definitely more with this. But I normally would just wear this with loose white pants or even black pants. But anyway, this is outfit number 1. Tomorrow we're gonna do outfit number 2, which I'm really excited about. I'm just hoping that I can get the dupatta that I'm looking for, and then it'll be done. I'm really excited. Stay tuned for that. Okay guys, this is look number 2 that I put together, and tell me this doesn't look like a proper lehenga. Like this really could be sold in store like as all 3 pieces combined, and I'm like in love with how this look turned out. Starting from the top, this baby right here again is from ASOS. I live for these tops from ASOS. It's like a really simple dupatta, and I initially wanted to pair it with like a navy dupatta, but then I was like, you know what, I want a pop of color, and this one was just perfect. It's so simple and like works so perfectly with this embellished top and this navy skirt, which I feel like is like the rock star of this look. So I bought this skirt from Amazon. Yes, I did. I bought this from Amazon for about $55, and I love this skirt. Seriously, I genuinely feel like this is my favorite so far. I mean, I've only done 2, but this one I'm like living for. And of course, I paired it with like simple jewelry. I'm moving the camera this way as much as possible because this side of my room and this side of my room, basically what you can't see, is such a mess. But anyway, I paired this beautiful sequins top now with these gorgeous pants that I am obsessed with. These are from Topshop, not Zara, Topshop, and I love them so much. They actually feel like you're wearing PJs. They're so comfortable. And with this like sequency top, I feel like this whole look is so dressy without being too over the top. Okay, you guys, I'm definitely buying this skirt in other patterns because look how cute this pairs with like a regular crop top. I love it. I'm actually gonna wear this entire look to Hawaii in just a couple of couple of weeks. But I love this. I think it's so cute and like flowy, and it's comfortable and it's easy. By the way, if you guys are wondering what size I got, I actually bought a medium and it's a little too big on me, so I don't know if you guys can see it, but I do have like a safety pin situation going on. So if you guys are close to my size, which usually I am a small, I would get a small in this skirt. It's like very true to size, but I love it, I love it, I love it. It's so cute and girly and pretty, and I'm obsessed. Okay, here is outfit number 3. Before I even show you guys the full look, which by the way, this look is my favorite so far, I have to say that I realized as I was putting this outfit on that every single one of the tops in this video is from ASOS, even like some of the bottoms. I didn't plan that. It just so happened that I found all of these beautiful embellished tops from ASOS, but this video is not sponsored by them or anything. I paid for every piece of clothing in this video by myself. But anyway, I want to show you guys outfit number 3 because I am completely in love with it. So this is a beautiful embroidered top, these mesh arms, and it is long sleeve, more details here, and I just think this is absolutely stunning. Like, and tell me this doesn't look like it could be like a blouse for a lehenga. I feel like it's so traditional looking and beautiful, and I just love it. And then this skirt, which is a beautiful long flowy satin skirt, is also from ASOS. And I think it's so pretty without being over the top. And I wanted to keep the bottom simple because we have so much going on top here. I will be inserting some clips of the skirt or like some pictures of the skirt on the side so you can see it. It is stunning. I love it. There's even a slit going on. I just think it's so beautiful and simple. And I was also gonna wear a dupatta with this outfit, like this gold dupatta that I had, and it was just kind of like throwing off the outfit. I actually didn't like it with the dupatta, so I decided to keep it without a dupatta, and I think it works beautifully. So this is look number 3. Also my earrings, these are so old. I can't even tell you where they're from. I'm pretty sure that I got these from India years ago, but I love them because they're just like very simple and like kind of go with everything. And then I have some little bindies going on, and that's it. I didn't even put on a lot of jewelry because this top is so heavy. Okay, so it's getting really dark outside, you guys. I'm gonna rush through the rest of the video. I actually couldn't find the right bottoms to pair with the top because it's so embellished. I just couldn't find the right piece in my closet, but I will do a follow-up on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me there. But I wanted to show you guys how this beautiful skirt just transforms with this like really simple bralette crop top, whatever this is. And it just makes it like a really fun flowy dress to wear in the summer. If you have like a summer wedding, if you have like a summer party, this just comes together so beautifully. I think this top is from either Misguided or ASOS or Boohoo. Ooh, I have to check, you guys, and I will put the link in the description box below. But I love it, and I wear this all the time with like pants and like everything. I just love this top. Anyway, you guys, it's getting so dark, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I really had so much fun doing this. If you like it, I'm more than happy to continue this and do like a follow-up video in like the next few weeks. So let me know if you want to see that. Anyway, thank you again so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!